Ever wish you could beam yourself across the ocean to watch UK exclusive content on your Nvidia Shield? Especially when it comes to trucking videos? Well, today, we're going to unlock how you can potentially access the content, bypassing geo-restrictions to get you what you want. First, open the Google Play Store on your Shield, and then search for a particular kind of app. In the search bar, type in VPN. This is the secret weapon to trick Google into thinking your Shield is located in the UK. Plenty of reliable VPN apps will appear. Choose one that you trust from the results. Once you have your VPN app, carefully select the United Kingdom as your server location. Many VPNs provide a world map to make this selection easy. Then, tap the connect button within the VPN app. This creates a secure connection that masks your actual location. Now, open up your Google app or your YouTube app, search for the UK Trucks content that you want, and boom. You might just find that geo-restrictions are no longer a barrier. You should now be able to find and watch the content you need. Remember to disconnect from the VPN when you're done to preserve your connection.